guys, we're finally here. ¿Dónde? Oh, yeah. Pero nos vamos a parquear allá, ¿no? Para que preguntes. Alright, so we're here. This is my OT. Good morning, guys. I haven't spoken with y'all. So, I got my bathing suit on, and let me actually, you know what, get out real quick. We're trying to get to the falls, but I don't know where they're at. But oh my god, look at this view. Oh my goodness. Let me zoom in. Look at that guy in the boat. Pero mira qué bonito. Yeah, but I want to go see the falls. Vamos pues. We finally made it, Louis. It smells so good, like pine cones out here. Oh.
There's parking over here too. There it is.
Hey guys, we ready to see some falls?
Oh, there is parking over here.
Where?
Right there. And we parked all the.
I told you there was parking.
You want me to go get it?
Yeah, I'll wait for you.
Run.
While he runs, let me keep walking out here. When the what? Is that a dead fishies?
Yeah, you can tell the water rises over there.
Well, no wonder it smells like fish. Oh my gosh.
I don't think it's waterproof. Is it? Ya te vas a meter. Ah, te lo madreas.
So the mission is to go over there, right? Well, I guess we can go, even though this water is like hella cold.
We can go over there to the big one. We can get back that way.
Yeah, let's go over there. Because these aren't, I mean, they're cool, but I mean, we already see what we gotta see. Let's.
Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, one for me. Baby, meant for me. I'm madly in love with you. Never, never let you go.
Wow. Ok, aquí vamos ya. Vamos sobre el agua. I have to put my... Ven. Huh? ¿Cómo? Let me see. Hold on. Ay,
Estaba bien con las dos manos. Voy a sacar la chingada.
Yeah, you have one bar. Lombard. You got one lombard.
Let me get on dry land.
Okay, get on dry land.
Mira, este güey está más grande.
Un pescadito.
¿Sí?
Yeah.
Oscuro, güey.
Uy. I know. Está, pero no está. Ya vamos súper lejos. We're almost there. Pero andamos caminando con este don y lo alcanzamos y lo dejamos y así. Pero bueno, this is a really rocky situation. Ouch! Yeah. Oh my God. Whoa. Yeah. Thank God we're doing this right now que no tenemos niños, because when we have kids, cha, nada de esto, mamita, nada de esto. ¿Ya llegamos? ¿Dónde? ¡Oh! ¡Ay, candado! Está más fría el agua. ¡Wow! Luego dije. Ya llegamos, por fin. Sí. Mira, qué bonito. Uf. Uf. Jumpy, jumpy, square is comfy. Espérame, agárrame la cámara, deja ahí. No estaba tan fuerte. Ya llegamos. Sí. ¿Qué me puso el mensaje? Oh my God, my BFF Jasmine just texted me. I get signal out here. Ya no estamos rumbados. Por abajo, por debajo, ¿verdad? Sí. Alright, talk to you later, guys. Nos vamos a acercar un poco más. Espérame. Voy. Para ir para allá tienes que ponerte un life jacket para ir para allá. Vamos a disfrutar un ratito. No te metas. Ese don ya se metió. No puede ser. Uy, sí está nadando. We made it to the top, guys. Sí, está bien resbaloso. Ya me pegué. Pero ahí vamos. Mira, this is how it looks like from the bottom. Ahí va Luis para adentro. We're gonna take some shot, guys. Hey guys, we're finally back. Hey guys, we're finally back from the waterfalls. As y'all seen today, we had such a good time. Honestly, that was like the best. The waterfalls were so much fun. I got so tired, and as y'all seen in the video, the only oopsie we had was me slipping down the rock, or I had a small slip and I hit my foot, but that's the only thing, or my ankle, but that was the only thing, was a small bruise. But it was so much fun. I loved it. Everything was so beautiful. Tomorrow we're gonna head out, I think, to Nashville, and we're gonna see what's out over there. But anyways, good night, y'all.